story is from Daniel, chapter 6 in the Bible, the lion's den. When we were last in Babylon, the Medes and the Persians had taken the kingdom from Belshazzar and divided it. Cyrus was king over all of the Persian Empire, but he made his uncle, Darius, king over Babylon. King Darius had 120 leaders over his kingdom, and Daniel and 2 other men were in charge of them. Because of Daniel's spirit, the king planned to appoint him over the entire kingdom. The other leaders weren't too happy about this, so they tried to find something to accuse Daniel of to stop him from getting this job.
Has he been caught napping on the job?
No, maybe he's been shopping in the royal supply closet.
No. Oh, I know. How about gossiping against the king?
No, he hasn't done that either. Did he shave his head to raise money for charity?
No.
They couldn't find anything that he had done wrong.
Wait a minute. What we need to do is find something in the laws of his God.
Yes!
So they made a plan and went before the king.
Oh, king live forever.
All the officials of the kingdom have gotten together and decided that you, O king, should make a law that no one can pray to any person, only you, O king. If they do, they will be thrown into the lion's den. Please sign this so they cannot be changed.
I am very pleased with this honor. I will gladly sign it. Yes.
Now Daniel had heard about the law, but he still continued to do his normal routine of worship. 3 times a day, he went to his upstairs window, facing Jerusalem, and prayed. But he was being watched.
O king, live forever, your majesty. Didn't you sign that law that anyone who prays to any god or person other than you will be thrown into the lion's den?
That is correct. A law of the Medes and Persians which cannot be changed. Well, sire, Daniel, one of the captives from Judah, pays no attention to your law. He bows down and worships his God 3 times a day.
As soon as the king heard this, he was deeply saddened and worked until sunset to find a way to save Daniel. But the law could not be changed.
Bring Daniel to the lion's den. Daniel, oh Daniel, your God will rescue you from the lion.
Daniel was dropped down into the pit, and a stone was put over the opening to seal it. and he could not eat or drink or sleep all night. At the first light of day, King Darius could wait no longer and rushed to the entrance of the lion's den.
Remove the stone. Wait, what is this that I hear? Oh, Daniel, servant of the living God, was your God able to rescue you from the lion?
O King, live forever. My God has sent his angel to shut the mouth of the lion, and I am not hurt. The Lord knows I have done nothing wrong.
Pull him out of there, and then go get those men who plotted against him. Oh, Daniel. Oh, Daniel. I now decree to all the people of the kingdom that all are to honor Daniel's God, because he is the living God, and his kingdom will last forever. He has delivered Daniel from the power of the lion.
The end.